Welcome to Zentali Meditation. Find a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel your body begin to relax. Release any tension you feel. Focus on your breathing. Observe each inhale and exhale. Let your mind become still. Scan your body from head to toe. Notice any areas of tightness. Allow them to soften and release. Bring your awareness to this moment. Prepare yourself for exam success. Imagine yourself at your study space. The desk is tidy and organized. Distractions are far away. You open your notes effortlessly. Information flows easily to you. Complex concepts become clear. You understand everything deeply. Practice problems feel simple. Confidence grows within you. You feel fully prepared. The exam day approaches calmly. You embrace the challenge ahead. Knowledge is at your fingertips. You trust in your abilities. Success is within your grasp. You enjoy your study sessions. Learning feels rewarding to you. Every moment brings new insights. You remain dedicated and focused. Your preparation is thorough and complete. See yourself arriving at the exam. You feel relaxed and composed. Walking confidently to your seat. You sit down and breathe deeply. Centered and focused in this moment. You read each question clearly. Understanding comes naturally to you. Answers flow effortlessly from your mind. You recall information with ease, writing confidently and precisely. Time moves at the perfect pace. You remain calm and focused. The exam feels manageable. You complete it with satisfaction. A sense of accomplishment fills you. Challenges are opportunities for you. You adapt easily to any question. Your mind stays sharp and alert. You trust your intuition and knowledge. Each answer brings you closer to success. Picture receiving your exam results. You see a high score displayed. Joy and pride wash over you. Your hard work has paid off. You share the news happily. Friends and family celebrate with you. Confidence soars within you. New opportunities await you. You feel ready for future challenges. Success motivates you onward. Gratitude fills your heart. You embrace your achievements. You look forward with optimism. Knowing you can achieve anything. Hold on to this feeling of success. You reflect on your journey. Proud of how far you've come. This success inspires others. You set new goals confidently. Your future is bright and limitless. Take a deep breath in. Slowly exhale and relax. Begin to bring your awareness back. Feel your feet touching the ground. Wiggle your toes gently. Notice sensations in your legs. Move your attention to your hands. Gently move your fingers. Notice your shoulders and neck. Relax any remaining tension. Become aware of sounds around you. Carry this calmness with you. When you're ready, open your eyes. Return to the present moment. Thank you for joining. Zentali Meditation. Don't forget to like and subscribe.